There are some amazing new tablets in 2025. Finding the best tablet can be tough since everyone has different needs. But once you know what you'll use it for, you can easily narrow down your options. In this video, we'll check out the best tablets of 2025 and help you figure out which one is the best fit for you. Let's get started. Number 4. Lenovo Tab Extreme. Redefining entertainment with powerful sound. Imagine a tablet that grabs you not just with its screen, but with its massive sound. The Lenovo Tab Plus delivers way more than your average tablet with its incredible audio performance. Thanks to its built-in stand, you can set it at the perfect angle. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen or chilling in bed watching a movie, it's got you covered. Long battery life, non-stop fun. No plug, no problem. The Lenovo Tab Plus is built for hours of music, movies, and gaming without needing to recharge. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a budget-friendly option, but sure, if you're looking for a more affordable option, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus might be a solid choice. But when it comes to sound and media experience, the Lenovo Tab Plus takes it to a whole new level. If you're all about music, movies, and games, this tablet is the one to beat. So which one would you pick? Number 3. Google Pixel Tablet. The Google Pixel Tablet isn't just a productivity tool, it's more like a housemate designed to fit into your everyday life. Whether you're getting things done at home, chilling in front of the TV, or just aimlessly browsing the web, this tablet is always there to back you up. Its main goal isn't to help you get things done, but to make your daily life easier. If you usually just use your tablet to surf the internet or watch shows, the Pixel tablet will definitely get the job done. Plus, with its charging dock and built-in speaker, it offers something that you won't find in other tablets. Next time you grab it, you won't have to worry about battery issues. With its smart home features, the Pixel tablet turns from just another device into a helper that's ready to make your life more convenient. It's not just a tablet, it becomes the heart of your home. Number 2. Huawei MatePad Pro. 13.2, style and power combined. The Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches is thin and light, making it easy to take with you everywhere. Its large, vibrant screen makes everything you watch come to life. Plus, with its eye care tech, you can use it for hours without straining your eyes. With the M Pencil, 3rd generation, drawing or taking notes is way more fun and precise. And with the keyboard and touchpad, you can handle work tasks like a pro. Fast charging and a long-lasting battery mean you can use it all day without worrying about running out of power. Its rich sound system makes every song and video sound clear and powerful. With a high-res camera, you're always in focus during video calls. The Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 inches won't let you down for work or play. Blast off. Number 1. iPad Pro. The new definition of professional power. Get ready to experience a game-changing tech. The iPad Pro 11-inch $999 takes the top spot in Apple's tablet lineup. With the new OLED display, M4 chip, and upgraded cameras, everything just got taken to the next level. If you're creating content or doing professional work, this device is made for you. Running heavy apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Photoshop, the iPad Pro delivers flawless performance. It's no longer just a tablet, it's a platform that transforms your work. Of course, the iPad Air is also a great choice, but the iPad Pro's professional-grade power makes it a true editor's choice. If you need something with serious muscle, this iPad Pro is the one for you.